The goods from Wendy's. What do we got here? One spicy bacon Asiago Club chicken sandwich with everything on it. Add mayonnaise, pickles, onions, add American cheese. One medium Oreo brownie frosty with vanilla ice cream. Fusion frosty delivered. So I open the frosty here. Put a spoon in there. Let's try a bite of that first. Supposed to have brownie batter, Oreo chunks, and frosty. Just as a heads up, that Wendy's has these new frosties from that they're doing for their promotion deal. Wendy's has these new frosties you can try for the summer and springtime deal. They got like all kinds of new frosty flavors to try. So I check them out, see what they're offering. This is the vanilla one with brownie batter and Oreo chunks. This is delicious. I would recommend it. We're going to set that to the side because we got to try this chicken sandwich. It's fresh. Still nice and warm and fresh from the restaurant. Show the goods. Spicy Asiago Bacon Chicken Club Sandwich. That came pretty clean off the wrapper. Let's take a look at that sandwich. Spicy Asiago Chicken Club Sandwich. You see the bacon on there. The lettuce, tomatoes, the mayonnaise, the ranch. Let's see how I do. It's definitely been made fresh, man. That is warm. But how spicy is it really? You see the lettuce and the bacon and the onion poking out there. Pickles. The chicken is juicy. There's a little bit of crisp on the outside. But how spicy is it? I smoked like half of it. I'll gauge the heat on it. Ooh, we got a little spice to you. The spicy Asiago Chicken and Bacon Club Sandwich from Wendy's. That's pretty tasty, man. The heat kind of creeps up on you a little bit once you let it settle. It kind of hits your tongue in the back of your throat just a little bit. But for me, it's pretty mild. Of course, I love spicy food. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the meal selection at my local Wendy's. Not a sponsor. Wendy's has a bunch of crazy new frosty flavors to check out. Although Wendy's took away the pretzel baconator, I think I'll manage. This frosty though, with that vanilla. Oh, that's fucking good. You taste the brownie batter. They have this in a chocolate frosty version too if you just want to go all out chocoholic status. Chunks of Oreo in there. A brownie batter with the Oreo chunks. That's tasty, man.